The Bridge of Teamwork. There were four friends, Ria, Aman, Kunal, and Meera, in a small village. They always walked to school together through a forest path. One rainy morning, they found that the small wooden footbridge across the stream had damaged. The water was flowing fast and they could not cross it safely. Aman said, "We should return home." But Ria shook her head and said, "If we work together, we can fix this footbridge." Kunal looked around and found some long bamboo sticks. Mira collected strong vines from nearby trees. Together, they planned how to repair the footbridge. Ria suggested to tie the bamboo sticks tightly with the vines. Aman held the sticks in a place. Mira tied the knots and Kunal tested the strengths. Slowly, the footbridge began to take shape. It was not perfect, but it was strong enough to walk across. When they reached the school, their teacher was surprised to hear what they had done. She said, "This is a wonderful example of teamwork. When people combine their strengths, even difficult tasks become possible." The friends felt proud. They understood that teamwork was not just about working together, it was about trusting each other, sharing ideas, and staying united.